Mix 2 offers incredible power, great looks and an excellent user interface experience at a price that puts many other top-tier phones to shame. The Mi Mix 2's pricing places it firmly in the mid-range sector of the market, where it is likely to face stiff competition from the OnePlus 5T, another big screen challenger. The base model comes with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage for around £430/$575/840 Australian dollars. If you want more internal space, then you can go all the way up to 256GB for roughly £100/$75/85 Australian dollars extra. Many of the design cues witnessed in the Mi Mix have been retained, but the use of a 5.99-inch display in place of a huge 6.4-inch panel seen on its predecessor makes the Mix 2 shorter by 7mm and narrower by 6.4mm. It's also slightly thinner. All of this trimming has resulted in an overall weight of 185 grams, which is 24 grams lighter than the original Mi Mix. Some complained that the 2016 model was simply too large to use, and it seems that Xiaomi has taken this feedback on board and created a more manageable device. The super-fast and reliable fingerprint scanner is placed in an optimal position on the rear, just where your index finger rests, in fact, and is accompanied by Xiaomi's branding that reads Mix designed by Xiaomi in gold. With a screen-to-body ratio of over 80%, it should come as no surprise that the defining feature of the Mi Mix 2 is its display. Xiaomi has gone with a 1080 by 2160 resolution despite the massive 5.99-inch screen, which showcases an 18:9 aspect ratio with round corners.